Hey everyone, it's Daryl Andrews with the Healthy Grocery Store Tour. I'm here with Scarlett Farr with Fitter by Farr, and we've been getting some questions and some good responses on our upcoming classes for our Health is Wealth free introduction. It's on October the 17th. We're going to be covering quite a few things in just the free introduction. That should be some eye-opening things to how to feel better, how to become healthier, how to eat better, and I think we're going to be eating
We are going to be eating. I'm going to do a cooking demo, and you're going to do a taste testing.
Oh, okay. Well,
and those brownies we talked about a few weeks ago, they'll be there too.
I'm pretty excited about the brownies myself.
I'll make an extra batch.
Okay, I hope you do. The free body composition test will also be a part of the free introduction as well. That goes relatively fast, but it's got some potentially eye-opening results from doing that. So,
Right.
What else we got, Scarlett?
So after the introductory class, we are offering a 6-week program if you're interested. And some of the things that we're going to do, 3 of the 6 classes will be live back in the same location so that you get some one-on-one interaction. Then we're going to use Zoom and Facebook Live and some recorded YouTubes that we'll send to you throughout the 6 weeks. In either the live format or the recorded format, you're going to go on shopping trips with Daryl. We're going to do more cooking demonstrations, and I'm going to tell you how to use those recipes to meal prep and use it several different ways throughout the week so you don't get tired of it. We're also going to give you an exercise challenge every week. So it could be doing a certain number of squats or doing a plank challenge, just something to get you started, and it's always fun to have other people in a competition, so we thought that would be a little bit fun too.
Yep.
And then, of course, you're going to have 24/7 access to both of us through email, through our phones, text, or calling. If you get stuck or you get frustrated, you can call either of us during the 6 weeks period, and we will not only coach you, but we will encourage you to the end.
Yep. Be glad to help. Yep.
So please go and check out our ad on Facebook. And both of our emails are there. Just email one of us or send a message back through Facebook and let us know that you're planning to attend so that we know how much brownies I need to bring that day.
Yeah, because we don't want a shortage of brownies.
No, we do not.
And I want to say a special thanks to Gottwals Books for letting us use their space, their distribution center there in Byron. We're super grateful for that and super excited too.
All right, we hope to see you soon.
Yep, see you guys soon.